Okay, cool. Here we are. Um, yeah, so we're back to more Atari programming, and this time we're gonna spawn balls, and we're gonna make them move around in this game. Um, so I think first things first, I want a flag for spawning the ball in the first place. Spawn ball. And that's going to start out with the flag of 1. I mean, of course, I could also do this as like a bit flag, but I don't think I have other bit flags. If I do, I'll make sure to adjust that accordingly. But for now, we're not going to worry about it. Okay, so then down in the positioning, and then I'm gonna move all. That's gonna go to an H blank of 7. STA, W sync. Why not? 15. Okay, so then I am going to look at the 6502 instruction set. Yay! I keep going to the internet for that. I don't need to do that anymore. Not that it's much of a waste of space for network bandwidth, but have the file locally. It's a good habit to get into. So what do I want to do? I would like to compare to memory. Yes, compare. Yes, compare and immediate. Yep. Well, that's to A, so I would, I could also use the bit instruction. Yeah, might as well. Okay. LPA. 1, and then I did forget I actually have this. So actually what might be better is if I said that this was 80. Let's use the top bits, because that makes this really easy. Okay. So then we say, what does the fox say? I don't know, man. Did you ask him? Did you ask the fox? Right, and then I want to do bit, which memory? I want to do bit spawn ball. Yep. Spawn ball. So bit spawn ball, and then M7 goes to N, so if that's negative, there is a branch for a negative condition, right? Oh, let me just look it up. Branch on negative? On plus. Haha. That's negative. B minus. BMI. So if it's... But we want actually plus, though. Yeah. So on plus, skip, spawn, ball. And then otherwise, we will do something. I do the other positionings up here. These aren't very expensive instructions, so maybe I can bundle these together. Do I really want to, though? Oops. Okay. So we position the players. In which case, this is 4, 5, 5. 7. And we put this up here. Position ball. Yep. Otherwise, we will also put it in the center. Yes, we also want to put it in the center. So it'll be y hashtag 6, JSR busy weight 0. Or maybe 5 and like 1 or something. Because I want it to also be a little bit to the left. Or actually 2. Yeah, 2's better. Skip spawn ball. And then what? STA. I actually don't know. Let's look at the data sheet again. Yeah. What is it? Where do I reset the ball? There should be somewhere I reset the ball. So that be res B? Res BL. Oh, is there only one ball? I actually forgot. Okay, cool. So there's only one ball. Res BL. Or it's not something I forgot, it's something I didn't even know in the first place. Which makes sense. Okay. Reset ball. And then after I do that, I want to actually set it. Wait, what did I do here? Oh, I might actually want 0. I forgot these instructions take time. So yeah, we don't exactly want that much slack. We would have also seen it when we actually played it, but that's fine. How do I enable the ball? Yes. So we do that at the right time. ball X, ball Y. Let's just make it more explicit. Yeah, there we go. Well, actually, I kind of want to keep the same... Yeah, let's keep the same acronyms as the registers. I have no idea what it is. Maybe something like 100. We'll narrow that down when we get to it. And then maybe this is also 55. It doesn't really matter right now. But this one I actually kind of want to eventually get more focused with. Is that the right word for it? Or make this more exact, because yeah, the TIA is just weird. It doesn't really keep track of those positions, so I had to keep track of them myself. So I had to make this kind of exact here. I might also want a macro for that as well, but I don't know. Yeah, I should probably look into some sort of macros for this assembler, because I'm kind of getting a lot of magic numbers right now. Which some of them are... I'm fine with, some of them I'm not really. Like this X position right here, or like some of the bounding things here. Okay. Yes. So after this... So you enable a missile 0 here. Do that there. Position all the things here. So wait, okay. So what exactly am I doing here? So yes, that's exactly where I want it. Let's actually put this here. Yeah. Or wait, no, I don't actually want to do that. Because... Or was it? Yes. Because I actually want this positioning to be kind of exact. And the W sync help us with that. Right, so that would set it to... Let me look at it now, but... Yeah, so just set that to 0, and that should be fine. I really do say a lot. One day I'll stop that. Today just doesn't seem to... As I say, as I do it again. Yes, today just isn't that day. So this positions the ball and then disables the rendering for now. And then around here, I also want to work on collisions. Right. So I want to position the ball and then update its position and then actually mess with the collisions. That should be fun. So I want to do a similar thing here. Yeah, and then even before these players, I want to render the ball. I wonder if I want to make this a function. Well, no, because these are different register. Maybe I can also put the register in. Well, then it's also... Right, it's also storing an address right here. I was thinking about just putting the collision logic in a function, but I don't think I want to do that, actually. I think I'll just keep it inlined. I think it's kind of a tight loop anyways, so I kind of want to do this right now. I don't know if it's that tight. I could like put one of these up here anyways. That might not be such a big deal. Or even just leave one of these outright, maybe? Yeah, like I have 2 scan lines. It should be more than enough. What is it? Ball Y. And then branch if not equal to skip ball let's keep that consistent. Yeah, there we go. And then what did I do? Yeah, I always do an add. Not 24 now, but 8. Seems good. Yep, and that should do it. Can I set the size of the ball? Is that a thing? Man, if only I could do that in real life. No, that'd probably be a bad idea in real life too. Don't do that, kids. So they work just like the missile registers. Yep, you can enable them. They can also be stretched by doing that. Okay. And you write to bits D4 and D5 with the control PF. The playfield? Really? Okay. Sure. That's convenient. And not annoying. Yeah. I mean, I guess I'm not using the playfield right now, so I can just set that to 0. Or actually, I shouldn't even need to worry about it. What is control PF set to? Oh, right, so I enable the reflection, but nothing else. So that's good. The ball is not the size I want it to be, actually. And set ball size to a clock cycle? No, I think... Yeah, probably the same size as the player for color cycles. So to do that, you set that to 1, 2, 2. Set that to 2. So you spawn the ball. Make. Okay, let's see how bad it goes. Oh, that didn't go so bad. Except now the screen's not... How'd that happen? But that is kind of what I wanted. Except I think I want to make the ball a little bit smaller. Right, you want to actually make it a square. Duh. So 4x4. Yep, that's a 4x4 thing. But now, yeah, we have a little bit of a problem here. How'd that happen? So I think this would, yeah, should do it. Maybe I had trouble actually, wait, whoa. Yeah, maybe I didn't meet a deadline or something. Where on earth is the scan line? Should be here by now. Oh yeah, I think that might be what's happening. Wait, okay. Oh, I thought I had a breakpoint earlier. Let's do this again. Okay, so here. No, I should definitely still be meeting deadlines here. Like, I think I'm just in time. Now, where's the current scan line again? Oh, yeah. I'm not doing that right. How did that happen? So that might be why that's not working. Wait, what actually happened to my, Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. I think I probably lost count of a lot of things. Yeah, so let's take it from the top. Let's see how bad I lost count. Yeah, so my scan line's 0 now. See, so I W sync now. That's 1. Oh, and then I'm doing a busy loop. Two. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I sort of see what's going on here. So just before, the scan line is actually really helpful. I can't believe I didn't see that before. So that scan line is very helpful because then, yes, I can go down here and yes, I can actually see how many scan lines that took. No, wrong thing. Yeah, so that's around here. Yeah, it's actually around here. Right, so that does take 7 scan lines. And then the scan line should be 22 here? Yes, 22. And I guess 22 is no good. Huh. It's strange because it used to be appropriate before, but now it's not. Yeah, if I keep going, it should be around 32 that things start getting better. Yeah, it's around 32. That's weird. Okay, sure, let me try 25. Hmm. 25 is apparently not good either. Okay, but maybe we can see a bigger issue here. Okay, 32. Yep, so we're here. I'm very confused. What did I like? Suddenly, somehow. "4K detected." Maybe that's not the best thing to do, actually. Oh, so PAL's detected now. Okay, let me force it to NTSC. Because that's actually what I want to do here. Okay, so NTSC is not working. Yeah, I probably should have done that before instead of doing that. So now I'm on 32, but maybe I wanted to be on 28 or something. That was weird. But yeah, after I started doing that, flying colors, which is good. Okay, let's try this again. So now that's proper. Let me just check that the scan line's correct as I expect it to be. No, I think I'm still off. "24 maybe? It's 22, just like it was last time, I believe. So I'm not sure why NTS, or I'm not sure why PAL was detected just now. Whatever. Let's do this again. Here, here. All right. Yep, there we go. Yep, looks great. Okay. Hold on, let me actually just... Did I... Does it go to 256? Well, it goes to like 250, actually. So I think, yeah, I should just be like 3 off or something like that. Which I don't think matters very much. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter too much. Yeah, okay. Weird. Does it like still detect that it's PAL, or does it actually detect that it's NTSC right about now? This is so bizarre. I have no idea how it's detecting NTSC, or how it's detecting PAL. I actually wanted an NTSC render. Yeah, it's wild, man. Might have to take a look at that. I have no idea why that's happening. Which is fine. I at least as a developer can deal with that. Maybe if I was like a regular user, I'd be a little bit confused, but I sort of got... I mean, I still was a little bit confused, but I could deal with it. This is the life of a developer, just constant confusion. Okay. Yeah. I at least have a ball rendered. The physics are definitely going to be more complicated, and I want to devote an entire live stream to that. But I at least want to make the ball move. Just something fun. So how about for BLY, we do an increment. So in position... And then how about we just ink these ball Y? Sure, let's do that. Yep. Okay, that's a bit weird. How about... if I put this up here? Maybe something's funny going on. Maybe something funny is going on there. I don't know. I think that actually is what it was. I think I was missing a timing. That's interesting. Okay. The wonderful world of Atari programming. It's a wonderful land of new discovery for me. Oh. Oh yeah. Yep. That's Yep. Looks like I'm gonna have to be a bit smart about that. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah. Yep. Sure, let me actually look through the main loop. I think that is actually what's happening here, is that I'm missing a timing. Do I still have those two W syncs? I should not have those W syncs. Yeah, there at least shouldn't be two consecutive W syncs. That's no good. Oh wait, I do have those because it's the entering of the loop. Okay. So sure, I'm on a clean cycle right now. Yeah, that might be it. So how about... Oh, this is a bit of a weird one. Wait, okay. So how about we actually do... So how about we actually drag this here? Yeah, I think this would be a good time to do a vertical delay. It's the thing. So we do missile, ball, P0. Or how about missile, then ball, then P0, then P1. I think I should be fine there. And how about I actually put the W sync up there? Because I do have a little bit of a delay on this branch here. So I just want things to be a little bit more consistent. Oh wow, I think that actually worked. Interesting. I thought I would still have some artifacts here, but I guess I don't. Yep. So I guess for now that works, but then eventually, let's see. Maybe I want to do the ball before the missile. I don't know if it matters that much. No, I want to do the missile first because I can't actually delay the missile, is the thing. I can delay the ball, but I can't delay the missile. Right, let me at least make sure I'm not hallucinating and there is actually a vertical delay thing. Because I could have sworn I saw something like that. Yeah, there's vertical delays. Yes, and the ball has it, and the players also have it, if I remember correctly, right? So I could hypothetically use that for the player as well. Although I think it's kind of a tight timing, so... Or that would sort of desync. I don't know if the desync matters because it's a scan line desync. Is the thing. So that should be fine. Not that I even know we need something like that. Yes, so vertical delay is right there. Yes, so players also have a vertical delay, so I could hypothetically use that as well. Maybe we can even render the ball, and then we can render the player, and then... Yeah, we can render the balls, you can render the players. Maybe render the playfields as well. Who knows? Playfields might be a little bit tough as well for what I was planning to use them for. That's a problem for future me, anyways. When it comes to the playfields. Actually, let me check, because I think the game might be complicated enough eventually to where I actually want to move this up here. And then I want to see how that works. I want to see if I still have those sort of artifacts. Yeah, no, it looks like I do that fine. Okay, so the paddles and the ball can be done on their own scan line. Or I could even use the vertical delay, that's not a big deal either. If it ended up stuttering at all. Or maybe not, I don't know. Point is, it doesn't seem like it's a problem now. So that's fine. Yeah, I think just the missiles and the playfields might actually be my biggest problem. When I eventually use the playfields. I'm thinking about using the playfields for the score. Which I don't know how complicated that'll be. Anyways, I don't think I have much else to go off of. I'm just really trying to test to see if I can get any weird artifacts. I could also look at it from the debugger, see how well I'm actually doing that directly. Yeah, so let's start it from the top. Okay, I think most stressful would be if I made all the Y's the same. So let me see how to do that. Right, so this is actually what I want. Yep, PY and P0Y, P1. No, wrong. Wait, is that? No, that's the right way. That's the right one. Okay. P0Y, P1Y are the same. Let's make the ball the same now, which is all the way over on 6, if I recall correctly. Wait, actually, no, it's a 6 byte, which is 5. Okay. Sure. So that's there. Now, Yes. Let me run until this. Yep. So now this should be the most stressful condition I have. So let me see how stressful that gets. Oops. Wait, no, that's where the wall is. So that's exactly where I wanted. Yeah, cool. I thought that was like an artifact from the missile. Got a bit nervous there. Okay, great. So I do that with flying colors. Maybe it would have been a good idea to branch out of these few instructions. It's just they kind of expand the code size a bit. So if I could help it, I didn't want to really add an instruction there. But yeah, we're actually passing that with flying colors, so it's no big deal. Well, flying cart, no, it's not really flying, because if I add the vertical delay, it's actually not that arbitrary. That might actually push it over. Maybe we will get to it when we get to it. Sure, let's just profile the performance right now, actually. Because I think I should have plenty of ROM to spare also. Like, what am I at? I'm at... I've only used like a 16th of it. It's not that much, I think. Right, so I have these bunch of zeros. Yeah, I've used like a 16th, maybe an 8th at the most. I still have a lot to work with for the game. Yeah, like it should be reasonable, and it would help me sleep better at night if I made those timings better. So what is it? I want to branch. Is it like a branch always kind of thing? Or is it just a jump? No, there should be an unconditional branch. I could have sworn that was a thing. Branch. Did branch also take absolute addresses? No, that was relative. Seriously, there's no unconditional branch instruction? Fascinating. Okay, sure. Then how about SDX? Do like loads and stores actually set the flag? No, they don't. LDX doesn't do that either, right? They do! They set those flags. That's annoying. Or I guess it's also not annoying? Right, because I can use that to my advantage. I can say branch if not equal to... unconditional branch. Which I guess I could actually. How many cycles does that take? Because I obviously want the instruction with less cycles. Yeah, that takes a few more. That takes like one more cycle. Yep. So we'll do. Although you do something weird, like you add a cycle or something if you actually take it. Page transitions may occur and add an extra cycle to the execution. Right, I actually forgot about that. Interesting. Yeah, so I probably want to actually put those on its own page. Yeah, so that should work. Make. There we go. Okay. Well, let me take out the quote-unquote unconditional branch there. And let me see if that fits on a page. Should fit on a page. Yep, so I should be able to go down, down, down. Yep, that all fits on a page. That's nice. I think it was also similar logic here. Right, I wanted to ensure that these weren't on pages, or these fit on a single page so that any loops don't mess with my timings. Yep, so that should be good. Should be plenty good. How about also I can do something like this? Yep. No, actually, I want to keep that. Yeah, let me keep that on a single page until I can't. Then I'll figure it out. For now, this is good. Because I was sort of thinking to also separate the player and ball updates in a separate page as well. But I don't think I need to go that far just yet. So I have a player 1 render. Right, what was I planning to, right, I was planning to unconditional branch. Yeah, I just noticed that that little bit of inconsistent naming. Yeah, I'll live. The inconsistent naming where I did render P1 and then P0 and render. It's a bit weird to me, but again, I'll live. Okay, let's see how that goes. Right, okay. So let's do 37 there. And then go here, here, here. Yep. So a bit towards the end. Yes, so I want to go here. Oh, oops. That was not where I wanted to go. She wanted to go around here. Yeah, there we go. The timing's a little bit better. I don't know that I liked having that sort of. Yeah, it wasn't a huge improvement to timing, and it sort of makes the code more complicated. Right, that wasn't terribly impressive when I saw that. Actually, yeah, this is gonna annoy me. Let's just put it to rest right now. I want to do a vertical delay, please, and thank you. And that's it. I just have to write one. Sure. Okay. I can do that. I can write one so hard to that register. You have no idea. I mean, technically I also don't have to write those. No, I would like to write those for sure. Yeah, so let's actually comment those out right now. And then see if I can make the timings without them. I can cheat a little by doing 3, and then what I can do is stx v del ball. Actually, wait, I could cheat on all of these right now, I think. Yeah, because I'm always doing a delay. Wait, no, I think that's not what I want to do. No, I want to do it specifically on a render. In which case, yeah, this is good. So I can sort of cheat here because I just write a 2 here and then I write a 1 here, and it doesn't matter the other bits. Just sort of works. I specify that this is a hexadecimal thing. Do this before that. Wait, yes, I can cheat again. And I can store this in vdel p0. And then I can cheat again here by storing this in vdel p1. And then brain farting right now. Oh, right, yes. I have to actually define those registers as well. Oh, I just wrote this here. Okay. Define vdel p0 to 5. Define vdel p1 to 6. Define vdel ball. 27. Okay. So how about, yep, that's good. Wait, can I cheat? I can't cheat here. I could cheat on the other one, but I can't cheat here. I mean, I could technically cheat there. I don't have to do F0. I could do 0F as well. That's not a big deal. Right, and then I can just sort of adjust the... I can fine-tune the exposition of that. So then I can do this trick that I want to do. Yep. Ooh, okay. Sure, how about I don't do that right now? Because that's clearly not going well. Yeah, okay. So somehow I'm not doing so hot here. Is it a timing issue? No, it's just genuinely freaking out. What? How does this work? So the first graphics bit should be loaded during the same horizontal blink time as player 0, because this is used to load the second enable bit from the... What? Okay. Yeah, I hate it. Maybe I don't have to bother with this, because this is very weird. So I'm doing the ball first, and then the player second, and then the other player third. Maybe I can sort of get away with this. Yeah, if I can get away with it, great. If not, we'll figure it out later. Wait, where's it? Right here. So I want to ideally No, that doesn't really work. Because you see, I sort of missed that there. It's not ideal. Yeah, so it turns out okay, I really do need that. It's just there's really weird logic involved with it. I have no idea what's going on here. Yeah, I might have to research this on my own time. Because I think it's not really that big of a deal, at least right now. It just means there might be a graphical glitch. Yeah, like there might be a bit of a graphical glitch there. Where like one scan line is sort of not rendered properly. Which I'm willing to live with for now. Add moving ball. Yep, we'll live with that. Alright, cool streams. Yay! We made a ball move.